Start by browsing through our flipbooks. Each page is packed with stunning furniture options. Once you find what you love, simply click Add to Cart. Don't forget to enter the product number and page number into the pill-shaped input above the flipbook. Use the color selection tool to customize finishes to your taste. Use the additional description text box to provide extra details like size, choice of material color, and anything else you think we should know.